Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a TP-Link Tapo C500 security camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's not pairing with your device, or if it's not syncing or not responding or seems to be frozen, any kind of functionality or connectivity issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, if you do this, you will need to set it back up because it will be wiped to its factory default settings, which brings me to the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set the camera up in a new place and you just want to wipe all of the previous data and pairings off of it so that you can start new with an out-of-the-box settings on it, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy to do. You're going to need a small screwdriver, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull the lens camera down, and just under here it will reveal a small little cover with two screws. And if you pull those two screws, you unscrew those two screws and take the little cover off, you'll see there's a reset button. And with the little screwdriver that you use to take the screws off, you can just press and hold that reset button for 5 seconds until the little LED indicator blinks red on the camera, at which point it is reset to the factory default settings.